Namaste. In this video, I would like to share with you a meditation process that you can use to center in this space of consciousness, which is eternally vibrating in the heart. To do this meditation, there's no particular preparation that's necessary, although you might like to find a comfortable position. If you are planning ahead of time to meditate, then it makes sense you would find a comfortable place. The way I've always approached meditation is to be as natural and uncontrived as possible. Therefore, I don't personally recommend any particular posture. I feel deeply that the posture that's right for you in meditation is the posture in which you are the most comfortable and in which your body, mind, disposition is given to the task at hand, which is to say that you want the body and mind to be comfortable and relaxed and not pulling on or calling for your attention with sore knees, or you're trying to straighten your back, and at the same time you want the body and mind to be in a kind of rest and equipoise that kind of mirrors the state, as it were, of meditation that we are going for, that you are going for. So in a comfortable position, or at any moment, you could be washing the dishes. You could just be seated. You might be waiting for a bus. You might be waiting for a lecturer at university to start speaking. It could be any moment. To begin this meditation, simply be in the heart. So the instruction is be in the heart. If you find attention drawn into the thought process, or attention drawn into the sensory, the senses, the sense world, just represents the intention of the meditation with the instruction. Remind yourself of the instruction, be in the heart. I could say, overlook the mind and overlook the senses, which is to overlook the world, and be in the heart and feel the vibration of the suchness of isness. Be in the heart. Overlook the mind. Overlook the senses. This phrasing indicates that the mind and the senses will continue to function. They will continue to present themselves to you, awareness. And the instruction is to overlook them, which is to see through them. Overlook the mind and senses, which is to overlook the world and be in the heart. Feel the vibration of the suchness of isness. Be with the vibration of life. Feel the vibration of life. Be in the heart. Sense perceptions arise. It may be a feeling in the body. It may be a mood arising in the mind, a thought, a memory. Overlook it. See through it. You are seeing everything that is appearing and you are being in the heart. You are seeing it from the heart. And just see right through it. See right through it. And remain as you are in the heart. In fact, the body appears in the heart. The mind appears in the heart. The world is an appearance in the heart. Where is the heart? The heart is here. Here is the heart. The mind functions. The senses function. which is to say, the world is appearing. And the instruction is overlook them and be in the heart. Simply rest in the heart. We're not ignoring the world. We're not ignoring the mind or the senses. We are simply overlooking them. In the same way that if you were talking to a friend and your son or daughter came into the room and they were a young child, they started playing, shaking a rattle. We don't admonish them. We don't ask them to leave. We don't take the rattle away. We just overlook it. Oh, that's my son, that's my daughter. And what were we saying? We already, if something's presented itself, it's there in awareness. We let it be there and we see through it. We see through it. We create a complete circle back into the heart. Awareness, attention, arises out of the heart, meets the objects of the senses, meets the mind, passes through the objects, sees through the mind, keeps on going back into the heart, circles back into the heart. This is seeing through the mind. This is seeing through the objects of the senses, which is to say, seeing through the world, which is actually an appearance in the heart. It's actually an expression of the life force. It's an expression of God's love. It's an expression of the creative force of existence, Shakti, the creative power of God. Be in the heart. So the entire instruction for this meditation is overlook the mind and overlook the senses, which is to say, overlook the world and be in the heart and feel the vibration of isness, the vibration of the suchness of isness. Feel the vibration of life. Feel the vibration of the primordial impersonal I am. Feel the vibration of isness. Thank you.